In the crypto markets, most traders want anonymity because it just gives you extra protections, right? So today we're diving into the best no-KYC exchanges that you can use in 2026 and how to trade crypto anonymously without having to worry about doing KYC checks, right? So KYC is definitely important across crypto. That's why a lot of people are even diving into the decentralized exchange ecosystems to really think about how they can have zero limits and unlimited withdrawals and zero oversight, reduced identity requirements where the information can get leaked. You've seen so many crypto millionaires fall victim to attackers, etc. So a lot of people just want to stay under the radar and have tiered access and non-custodial execution. And today we're ranking the top no KYC exchanges that you can use in 2026, right? So let's get right into it. No KYC trading at the end of the day is something that does offer you lower consumer protections, of course, fewer recovery options as well if things go wrong, and stricter enforcement if rules are broken, and higher personal security responsibility though. So how we've ranked these platforms is obviously based on the ease of account creation, withdrawal limits, without verification, the spot and derivatives availability, the liquidity and execution quality, the platform stability, the custodial and non-custodial risk, the risk historical behavior during volatility, and also the reputation among experienced traders. So let's get right into it. Number one on our list today is Hyperliquid, kind of one of the most popular right now, the cleanest no KYC trading venue right now. No account creation, no identity verification, wallet-based access, high performance on-chain execution. Obviously, the trade-offs are lower leverage than top centralized exchanges, and liquidity is smaller than some bigger platforms like Binance and OKX. Number two is MEXC. Get all the links in the description, guys, and get some hefty discounts and rewards as well. Best high volume no KYC trading is on MEXC, where you're trading without verification or with kind of a pretty much reasonable withdrawal limits, spot and futures, extremely broad altcoin listings and aggressive fee structures, as well as, it's good for active spot trading and futures and altcoin exposure. So go check out MEXCXT.com, another one of those under the radar platforms that's really reliable, no KYC spot and futures trading, and low fees as well. Really smaller size trading, privacy focused users, back up or secondary exchange for a lot of traders. KSEX is one of my favorite right now, entry level KYC, no KYC testing strategies, low risk trading, really low. Sometimes people might think the liquidity is not as high, but it really great user experience. KSEX, I definitely recommend to check it in the list below and get started with it. And Bybit, no KYC access, you can still get some, limited. However, obviously, they have come under a lot of scrutiny. So is KuCoin as well as other platforms. But let's talk about some of the common mistakes that no KYC traders make. But if you want, you can also check out some BTCC. You can use Femex, Blowfin. You can use Gravity, GRVT. So many exchanges. Go to our main site, check out the links in the description, and also just go and check out all the other reviews to all the major no KYC platforms that we've done, and we've done comparative analysis on our main site as well, so you'll be able to check that out. Obviously, assuming no rules apply, traders, they want to have excessive withdrawal limits, ignoring kind of jurisdictional restrictions, and reusing addresses without having to worry. Obviously, common mistakes that no KYC traders make as well is storing funds long term on the centralized exchanges, because at the end of the day, if something goes wrong, it's really hard to get your funds back, because you're obviously not even KYC'd. And the best exchanges, I guess, like I said, Hyperliquid, MEXC, XTK6, Hyperliquid, all these platforms that will be good for you. Go check it out and check out the link in the description to the full review. Peace. Bye.